Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining me today. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a new website or web application using Horizons, even if you have no programming, design, or technical background. AI has improved a lot in recent years. You no longer need to hire a web developer, designer, or programmer to launch a professional website or web app. This change has transformed how websites are built today. It opens up opportunities for individuals, small businesses, and organizations that previously could not afford custom development. You also save a lot of money. Instead of paying freelancers, agencies, designers, and developers high fees, you can now build your website yourself for much less. You stay in full control of the process, design, and final outcome. Moreover, there is virtually no limit to the types of websites and web apps you can create with Horizons. You can create official business websites, portfolio websites, landing pages, e-commerce sites, sales funnels, lead generation pages, affiliate marketing sites, digital product platforms, and even fully functional web applications. I will guide you on how to do this using Horizons, from creating your account to publishing your website live online. Opening an account is completely free, and you can start building right away. Step 1. Sign up for Horizons first. You need to create a free Horizons account. You can do this by visiting the link on your screen, skilleto.com/Horizons. Once you reach the page, enter your email address and create a password to open your free account. The registration process is quick, and you don't need a credit card to start. After signing up, you will access the Horizons dashboard, where all website and application creation takes place. This is where the real power of AI comes into play. Step 2. Understand how Horizons works. Before creating anything, it's important to know how Horizons actually works. Horizons operates like other AI platforms such as ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, or Grok. It responds directly to the instructions and prompts you give it. Therefore, the most important rule when using Horizons is this: be as descriptive and detailed as possible. The quality of your website depends entirely on the quality of your instructions. You need to tell Horizons exactly what you want. For example, specify how many pages you want, what type of business or project the website represents, your preferred colors, the layout style, the tone of the text, and the features you want included. You can upload your own images, logos, and branding assets. You can also provide exact color codes, font styles, and design preferences. Horizons is designed to closely follow your instructions. You can even clone any website you want. To illustrate this, think of Horizons as an unlimited genie. Unlike traditional genie stories where you only get 3 wishes, Horizons has no such limit. Every instruction you give is treated as a command, and it continuously works to deliver what you ask for. So when Horizons asks you, what do you want to create? Make sure to describe your website in full detail. The clearer you are, the better your final result will be. This do-it-yourself approach is much more efficient than hiring developers or designers, which can be costly, time-consuming, and often frustrating. Horizons saves you time, money, and effort while giving you complete creative control. Within just a few minutes, your ideas will become a real website or web application. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas. To achieve an even better result, I recommend using another AI tool like ChatGPT or Grok. ChatGPT can help you create a detailed script or prompt that you can feed directly into Horizons. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a full website brief, including pages, content ideas, design suggestions, and features. This makes it easier to give Horizons clear and professional instructions. By combining ChatGPT and Horizons, you use AI to design, structure, and build your website from start to finish. Step 4. Edit your script using a text editor. After ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or DeepSeek gives you a script, the next step is to refine it in a text editor. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect, so reviewing and editing the script is very important. Add anything that reflects your personal vision, brand identity, or business goals. At the same time, remove anything that doesn't align with what you truly want. This is where your ideas are refined and perfected. Don't leave anything to chance. The clearer your instructions, the closer the final website will be to your original vision. Step 5. Paste and submit your instructions to Horizons. Once you're satisfied with your script, paste it into the Horizons chat interface. This is where you instruct Horizons to create your website or web application based on your specifications. As I mentioned earlier, the more specific you are, the better the outcome. You can also upload images and explain how you want them used in the final design. If Horizons asks follow-up questions, respond immediately and clearly. These questions help the system fine-tune the final output. Step 6. Horizons starts building your website. As soon as you submit your instructions, Horizons begins turning your ideas into reality. You will see the system generating code in real time behind the scenes. At this stage, all you need to do is wait a few minutes while Horizons builds your website or web application. The process is automated, fast, and efficient. Step 7. The first draft of your website or web application. Once the first draft is complete, you can start reviewing your new website. Check every page that Horizons created to ensure everything aligns with your brand identity. Ask yourself important questions. Are the colors exactly what you wanted? Does the layout reflect your brand? Is the content accurate and professional? Feel free to navigate through all the pages and test how everything looks and feels. Step 8. Edit and customize your website. If you need changes, editing is very simple. You can manually adjust text, replace placeholder images, or instruct Horizons to add or remove any element. You can tell Horizons to modify layouts, add new sections, create additional pages, or change the design style entirely. It will follow your instructions accordingly. Understanding the code section. In the code section, you can view all the code used to create your website. This is mainly useful for programmers or developers, but you don't need to understand it to use Horizons effectively. Horizons is designed so you can build professional websites without writing any code. Step 9. Preview your website. The preview option lets you see how your website will look once published. You can preview it on browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. You can also preview how your website or web application will look on mobile phones and tablets. This ensures your site or web app is fully responsive across all devices. Examples of websites created by Hostinger Horizons. You can create as many websites as you want using Horizons. Here are a few examples I have personally created. Example 1. Consultancy business website. This website was designed to clearly present professional services with strong branding, structured pages, and clear calls to action. Example 2. A real estate website. In this case, I created property listing pages, contact forms, and a professional layout suited for real estate agencies. Example 3. Digital services website. This site showcases services, pricing, and portfolio sections, making it ideal for freelancers and agencies. Example 4. Affiliate marketing website. Here I focused on content structure, product reviews, and conversion-oriented layouts. Example 5. Safety and health company website. This website highlights compliance, certifications, and professional credibility for a safety and health organization. Example 6. Yoga and fitness website. This example includes class schedules, instructor profiles, and a calm, wellness-focused design. Step 10. Publish your website. Once you are satisfied with your website, the final step is to publish it online. Domain selection. Select the option to get a domain. You can choose a free domain name for the next 12 months if it's available. Simply claim it and proceed. Alternatively, you can connect an existing domain that you already own. The verification process is simple and usually done via email. Hosting options. Horizons provides multiple plans to choose from for hosting. Select the hosting option that best suits your needs and budget. As you can see from the pricing, creating your own website using Horizons is much cheaper than hiring freelancers, programmers, designers, or developers. Additionally, it reduces the risk of human errors and project delays. Proceed with payment, and your website will be live on the internet. In short, This video is for anyone dreaming of a groundbreaking web app or website, whether it's worth $1 million or $1 billion. Sound like you? If so, you can now bring that vision to life using Horizons. Simply describe what you want to build. You'll get your first version immediately. Preview and refine your project through a live chat with Horizons AI. Then, with one click, publish and share it everywhere. You can even connect your own domain right from the platform. No code or complicated setup required. Horizons delivers stunning websites, innovative web apps, and so much more. Ready to begin? Go to skilleto.com/horizons and turn your ideas into reality. Visit skilleto.com/horizons and bring your ideas to life.